Today we're going to learn some simple birds using very simple shapes. So today, the first thing I'm going to do is make these smaller. And let's do the bird first. As you can see, it is an oval shape. I'm going to default that so that I have a black background outline. Make it a light blue. The next shape are the wings, and it's a heart shape. And we'll make that also blue. Copy, paste, Control C, Control V. And you can bring the body forward. You can move those wherever you want. We will take the oval shape again. And make some eyes. Copy, paste. Make it black. Select both, group together. We want two of them. Group together, and then make smaller. You can have the eyes as big as you want or as small as you want. The next shape is the triangle shape. It's right down here in basic shape, the diamond shape. That's what I meant to say. And turn it orange. And how I got the pink on his belly is I found a pink that I like. No outline, so go ahead and no outline. Go ahead and right click and format shape. It brings up this section over here. Come to soft edges and just make it to go where you want it to go. I will make him a little larger. And there you have a bird, simple bird. Group it together, put to the side. The next one we'll do is the chick. And we already have our circle shape. Make it more of an oval. And I'm going to color it a yellow. Copy, paste. Make it a tiny bit bigger. And you can play around with this. Every time I make one, it turns out different. Go ahead and select both, format, merge, union. That's the face. The eyes. Bring out two of them. Group together. You can make them any size that you want. For the nose, it is this shape right here, partial circle. Bring it around, and not pink, let's go orange. Okay, the body is just a circle. Send to the back. The arms are the heart. We want two of them. Can make them skinny Make them look like they're going to fly. You put it where you want to. Make your own unique. So I'm going to select both the head and bring forward so that I can tuck the arms underneath the body. And for the feet, go to Insert, go down to where the stars and banners are, star 4 points. See that little circle right there? You can make it as big, small, play around with it. And go ahead and put it underneath your chick, and you can send to the back. Group them together. His feet are a little big, but that's okay. And how I made this rooster is I just copy and paste and just change it to white. And it might be best if I ungrouped them all. And I just changed to white. And for the top, I just used the heart shape. Made it a little bit smaller, skinnier. And I changed it red. And you can have one coming underneath his chin or underneath his nose. I'll just put it underneath the chin. That means I need to take the head, format, and to bring forward so that this can go underneath the chin. And there you have your rooster.